Hey guys, welcome back to a whole new video. I know that I didn't do videos for like 2 weeks straight. I had some things going on, you know, like the party and going back to work, so I was just kind of getting all situated on that. But this week, because you know today is Tuesday, like what is up y'all, I was gonna do this video like a drink with me and whatnot, because I was drinking mimosas. So if you guys see me like a little like I can't speak, you know why. Okay, all right, so let's get on it and yeah, roll the clip, y'all.
Be careful what you say to me, 'cause it might turn around on you.
So we're gonna do makeup. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna play, and if it looks like shit, then excuse that. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I can. I don't know, I kind of want to do purple because purple my favorite color. So obviously we're gonna start off with eyebrows. Also, a fact about me, I don't do my makeup in summer, not that much. I just hate the heat. Heat is not my best friend. I'm not trying to get a heat stroke. Alright, so we're going with foundation. I mean concealer. Oh shit, I'm shaking. Okay, so the colors that I wanted to use was from this palette right here, the Born to Run. I really love this color right here, which is called Hell Ride. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna use this palette. So I'm gonna go with the shade that I always go with, and it's this one. It's called Riff.
Every time you come around me, I can't leave. See, I'm the kind of man who shows concern. Yes, I do. Any way that
So I'm gonna use this purple because it already has like some of the purple that I'm gonna use. But like I said, I'm gonna go with the color Hell Ride, which is this one right here. Oh my gosh.
I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal, and I think I'm gonna do matte. This one right here, and it's matte, so I think I'm just gonna go with that. Hopefully it looks good.
Niggas on mine. I'm on the road to riches. Listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga, feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Wish they was newer. Damn, need something new.
This is how it turned out. I think I'm not gonna record how I do this one. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'll come back real quick, and when I'm done with this one, just because it took a long while, I was just like, I don't know. Okay, so I'll be back right now when I am done with this eye. Okay, all right guys, so good news, they're gonna turn the AC on. All right, now let's get into the rest of the makeup, and we're gonna wipe the sweat away. So we're gonna go ahead and add the lashes now. Okay. I think these are, damn, who there? Whew, I look like a whole different person with this. I literally just feel like I have like a massive unibrow when I have these on, because all I can see is black. I don't even know if these are on right. Hold on. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put mascara on my bottom ones, if I can reach up in there. And I'm gonna try to make these lashes, oh gosh, I need to put more glue on this side. All right guys, I'm done. So I did my eyes already, so I know it looks like I have, oh, my battery needs charge. I'm gonna go ahead and add foundation on, but before I add foundation, I'm gonna go with the matte face primer, and this is from Wet n Wild. The face primer on everywhere in my face. So the foundation that I'm gonna do is this one, which I don't know how that works. Like, I'm using like dewy smooth foundation with matte primer, so it's just like, okay. All right guys, so foundation is on, and now I'm gonna go with the concealer, and I'm gonna conceal, don't feel. I look a little too white, but we're gonna bronze, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and add some powder to our under bags, and of course we're gonna bake. The only baking I do. I'm just kidding. I like baking. So, in fact, it isn't the only baking I do. Oh gosh. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and put some powder on. I'm saving battery, so that's why I like cut it out for a little bit. And we're just gonna go ahead and put some powder on. I'll be back, guys. So I still haven't taken off my baking powder, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's go ahead and take that off. I'm just tapping it. So I'm gonna use this brush for the bronzer this time. I usually use a thin one, but I use this one. There's that. Now I have to put some eyeshadow under my eyes. And there we go. Then we're just gonna add some mascara under my eyes, just a little bit, not too much, because I'm not really a big fan of having mascara down there. Let that be the end of our makeup. The lipstick I'm using is this MAC one, and it's Toupee, but it's a really pretty color. Oh, thank you. All right guys, that was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Today's Tuesday, obviously. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.